Hi, I'm Kelly with HVAC.com. Today I'm going to show you how to change your Lennox X6670 filter for the Lennox Healthy Climate HCC16-28 air cleaner cabinet, also known as the Y2920 cabinet. The first thing you want to do is locate the cabinet. This cabinet is going to be located between the return air duct and the furnace or air handler of your system. Once you've located the unit, remove the door, and using the tabs on the end of the filter, slide your old filter out and dispose of it. Next, insert the new filter. Before you insert the filter, be sure the airflow arrow is pointed towards the furnace or air handler. Slide the new filter into the cabinet and replace the door. This filter lasts 9 to 12 months. And in order for you to remember to change your filter, when you order through HVAC.com, we'll send you a magnet that easily attaches to the front of the door of the cabinet. I would suggest writing the date 9 months from the installation date so you can check the filter, and if it needs changed at that point, you can go ahead and change it. If not, wait another 3 months and then change the filter at that time. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again next time on HVAC.com.